Hello and welcome to today's episode of Healthy Habits. Today, we're going to talk about an incredible root that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, ginger. Let's dive into its amazing qualities. Number 1, anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce pain and swelling in the body. Number 2, digestive health. Ginger has natural carminative properties, which can help to reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also stimulates digestive enzymes, promoting healthy digestion and absorption of nutrients. Number 3, antioxidant properties. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. Number 4, cold and flu relief. Ginger has natural expectorant properties, helping to loosen and clear mucus from the lungs, making it an effective natural remedy for colds and flu. Number 5, anti-nausea properties. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat nausea and vomiting, making it a great natural remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea.